channel. But before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and turn on your notifications. Today, the electricians are back to continue with the electrical pipes for the electrical wires, and the air conditioning company is in to put in the provisions for the air conditioning units.
I've made provision for the fence wall lights. Well, I was saying they look quite short in here, but when you go outside, they've done it all around. When you go around, they're quite tall on the outside. See? Quite tall, so they can't go any higher. Today we borrowed electricity from the back there. See the bed. Guys, look at all the stones on the floor that I need to collect. People pay good money for this shit. How much I've collected? Loads. That was the bag I was using to collect them. Loads. So this is for the wall lights. They put them all around and on the other side as well. There's something about Ghana. Time waits for no one. These people came, they had already done up to lentil. Their quick time did the block work at the top, now they're roofing already. No time wasters, but yeah, everyone said they got no money.
These are the materials for the AC installation. The copper pipes are very expensive, so always keep an eye on them. I never leave them on site. Once they finish their work, I take them away with me and bring them back the following day. And once they finish, remove them from the site. There has been instances where they have actually been ripped out of the wall. So always be vigilant and be careful when it comes to copper and the copper pipes.
So as you can see, they've started to put in the AC pipes. That chicken, get! Okay, they're bringing their damn chicken pox. They bring their chicken pox, guys. That's funny. I think they finished in here actually. In here needs a good sweep and tidy up. So, see the pipes out there, still. So it looks like they finished this apartment, so Now they're next door. You need nails. I have some, I'm coming. There's some here.
Look at
The neck.
Yeah.
Today we went to purchase all the things that the plumber needs to complete his work.
I'm like a right Grinch this morning. I just need peace and quiet.
The plumber has now completed his work for all of the plumbing provisions. Also, I'm having a central heating system for the hot water for each of the individual apartments. Once the electricians finish this phase, they will then stop work until the plastering is completed. Then they will come back and finish off the connecting of the pipes so that the wiring can happen and then the screeding. Thanks for watching, guys. Still so much more to go, so see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media. Bye.